Welcome back, readers, and thank you for joining us for another virtual story time. As a reminder, if you are local, we are holding in-person story times on Thursdays and Fridays at 10:30 for different age groups. Check out our website, Facebook, Instagram for more information. Now let's get started with today's story. We are continuing with our rainbow theme for the third week of March. And we have Rainbow Stew today. So, Rainbow Stew was written and illustrated by Cathryn Falwell. Let's jump right into it. Stretch, wiggle, sniff, and giggle. We scramble from our beds. Grandpa's making pancakes for his favorite sleepyheads. We love to visit Grandpa. It's always so much fun. He lets us play outside all day so we can jump and run. Whimper, sigh, cloudy sky. Is it too wet to play? We don't want to stay inside because of rain today. Grandpa smiles and says to us, I know what we can do. Let's go and find some colors for my famous rainbow stew. What is rainbow stew? Do you have any idea? What could be in rainbow stew? Where are they? Splish, splash, puddle, dash. We bounce right out the door. We're off to find some red and green, some yellow, orange, and more. What foods are red or green, yellow, or orange? Can you name some? Grandpa shows us how to move between each row. Lifting up the drippy leaves, we see what colors grow. Are you ready to explore the garden with me? Drip, drop, shake, hop. Here are lots of greens. Spinach, kale, and cucumbers, zucchini, peas, and beans. Yummy, yummy. Particularly those snap peas. And beans, yummy. We find some yellow peppers and a purple cabbage head. We tug on rosy radishes and pop them from their bed. Slip, slide, squishy stride. We snip off red tomatoes. We dig in the dark, wet dirt and pull out brown potatoes. Do you see the stew coming together? I think I do. We jump around like grasshoppers and buzz about like bees. We creep along like ladybugs and all get muddy knees. Gardening's dirty, good work. Fun work. Pull, pick, gather quick. We need more for the stew. Grab some orange carrots and a purple eggplant too. Our basket's full of colors. We park it by the door. Our clothes and boots are dripping, making puddles on the floor. Grandma might not be too happy about that. Grandpa helps us wash our hands and dries our soggy hair. It's almost time to cook, he says, so find dry clothes to wear. Peel, slice, chop, and dice. Colors fill the pot. Stir in herbs and water and then wait until it gets hot. Grandpa says he's proud of us. We're such terrific cooks. While the stew is heating, we have time to read our books. What a good rainy day activity. Cooking and reading. Howl, yow, tummies growl. We're a hungry bunch. It's time to serve up heaping bowls of rainbow stew for lunch. Salad and big bowls of stew. Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. And the end. But in the back, we have a rainbow stew recipe. We have carrots and tomato and eggplant, kale and cucumbers and carrots, radishes, potatoes, peas and beans. Yum. Can put this on hold and check it out from the library today. Thanks for reading with us today, and we hope to see you again very soon.